Fuck this place.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. I remember you.
Time to home go. Oh no. What is this? What is this shit? Oh, fuck me. Fuck me fucking sideways. Takes one truck to fuck it up for everyone. Oh my god. Oh god, driving home's gonna be fucking fabulous. Move the shit out of the way. Good job! Great job! You're doing great! Good job! You're awesome! You're fucking great! Look at this shit. There's no fucking way I'm waiting. God, I'm such an impatient motherfucker. No fucking way. Way the fuck back here? Are you goddamn kidding me? Fuck this shit. There's no fucking way I'm waiting for this. There's no goddamn way. This is why I own a fucking bike. Fuck the dumb shit. No goddamn way. Unless a fucking train is coming, there's no goddamn way I'm doing this shit. Trimmed about 10 minutes off my trip. It pains me that I'm watching a green light and I'm still sitting here. Oh my god, of course the truck that screams I have a tiny dick is not making a right, and shit dick over here is fucking... Oh. What are you doing, shit dick? I don't want to get around you. I wonder if I can fit through that. What the hell's a shit dick? The stuff I come up with on the road. I couldn't imagine living like in a giant city like New York, Chicago, Atlanta, San Francisco. I'd probably just get a bicycle. I'd probably go to fucking prison for like 9 felonies. That guy hated traffic so much he bought 9 pineapple grenades and took out 12 people. Just because they didn't go quick enough at a light. He took out a whole public transportation bus. Listen, you're not moving? Okay. There you go, asshole. Oh my god, do you even know how to function a fucking vehicle? Jesus Christ. God, I could drive a fucking king sofa faster than you. What? I am so terrible with road rage, I really am. If you don't drive to my standards, I fucking hate you. I'm such a horrible critic, I really am. Just bitch at people all day long. I get so pissed off over dumb shit. Why the fuck are their fucking lines white? I'm gonna go buy me like a bicycle and see how much quicker it takes for me to get home, if it does. 80% of these people are probably just like me, you know, palm through the fucking face. But then again, there's obviously nothing I can do about it, you know. So stop complaining, you fucking retard, and just drive on the road when you live in Florida. Well, you know what? I'm gonna complain whatever the fuck I want. My ideal driving conditions would be Everybody's doing at least 60. There's 90% less cars, 100% less old people, 100% less teenagers that are staring at their fucking phone. And everyone has a Lamborghini. I can dream, right? Then the roads would be a better place. Oh, and traffic lights didn't exist. I know that would make it hard to cross the road, but I have this fantasy, this transportation fantasy of where roads go under the other road and then come up, and there's like interstate bridges that kind of just bring you onto the next road. There would be a lot of construction and a lot of money and a lot of taxes that are going to be taken out, but you know what? Traffic's going to be so much better. Huh. I keep forgetting my tag's expired, technically. My birthday was March 5th, so my plate's reading 3/18. Technically, we're still in March, but last time I had my plate expired for a good 6 months before I decided to go ahead and get me a new tag, and the next 6 months came up pretty quick. I really don't mean to neglect the bike. Not only do I not take care of the fucking thing or clean it anymore or do anything with it, I don't even get my registration done. Eventually it'll come back and bite me in the ass when I get a ticket for having an expired plate for more than 6 months. My girlfriend's probably hating her life. She's coming from the opposite side of town, and she's in a car. God bless her soul. I'll see her later on tonight in about 4 hours. She gets off the same time I do. I'd be damned if she's actually there before me. We'll find out, won't we? That's a good spot for that. I saw that coming. Let me get over where it's faster, and then shithead pulls out. What the fuck was that? The suspension squeaky. Sounds like a worn out mattress of a fat chick that's been fucked by 3 fat guys at the same time. Yeah, it's not what it sounds like. Squeak, squeak. Shit, how the fuck did she make it home before me? She must have got off early. That is the only excuse. Wait, what am I doing? I don't park there. Fucking retard.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see